$629,000. Look how deep this closet is. This is the primary bathroom with the double vanities, big walk-in, double closets. Okay, so now let's take a look at the lanai. Again, this is on a corner lot. Look at this. I love this tile flooring out here. This is so peaceful out here. And look at the water view back there. Do you see it? You got a beautiful awning here. And then you could see the fountain in the pond. You have fenced in yard here. And then you have all that yard beyond that, which is HOA property. So it's a big corner lot. So I'm Elizabeth Willers, and thank you for stopping by at my open house. See you soon. And thanks again, Larson Inspection, for all those goodies.